Hello student, good morning once again in our standard 8 mathematics lesson number 16. This is the last lesson of this textbook mathematics. My dear student, here we are going to conclude our today's sessions with standard 8 mathematics textual all the chapters. Today we are going to check out the exercises of 16.1 and 2. So before starting our today's sessions, let's do the final silent prayer exercise and ready for our sessions. So take the dua positions or prayer positions in silence. Very good students. Here is the chapter number 16 standard 8 mathematics and lesson name is playing with numbers. My dear student, here these examples are given for to understand the different kind of competitive exam sums. My dear students, this will develop your logic power as well your skill to find a curiosity. Isn't it better? Yes. So exercise 16.1 which gives a question number 1. My dear student, find the value of the letters in the following and give reasons for the steps involved. My dear students, here the question is 3a plus 25 is equal to b2. But we should have to find out the value of a and value of b. Can you imagine how to find out this one? Anyone want to try it? Yes, you can try yourself. And those who will first, I will say there a very good clap. Applause to everyone. Start. I am giving 1 minute to solve this sum. Yes, you can take any help of your previous. Now you are already knowing about the 6th standard mathematics, 7th standard mathematics and 8th standard mathematics, all the chapters. Remember, this is a continuous subject. You cannot escape from the 6th standard mathematics, 5th standard mathematics. These are the continuously. Did you forget about the numbers? Did you forget about the additions? Did you forget about the subtraction? Or did you forget about tables? No. You should have to remember till the life. Okay, my dear students. Yes, you are right. Correct. Your answer little bit correct. So here you have to think about this A. First of all, we will add these numbers. Is it better? Yes. So suppose there is any one number which is added to 5 gives you 2. How it will come to 2? If you add some number, suppose that number is, I don't know, but result is coming 2. 5 plus any number, 5 plus 1, 6. Yes, 2 is not coming. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 6, 11. And 5 plus 7, 12. Then 2 will come here. So suppose this is a 3, 7. And can you hear? That's a 5. Here 5 is there, that's why 2 will be coming down and 1 will be the carryover. Okay, then after here 2. Isn't it? And before that there is a plus sign. So now we have the 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So here you are having two numbers 7 and 6. So what about the A? A is the 7 and B is the 6. Is it better? Correct? Yes, it is right. B is equal to 6 and A is equal to 7. Let's check. Your answer is right, my dear students. Let's we check once again. Exercise 16.1. Question number 1. Find the values of the letters in the following and give reasons for the steps involved. My dear student, can you see this one? 2 plus 5, 7. 3 plus 2, 57. It is not a correct answer. So now think about other number. One by one you can take it and find out the sum. Yes, when you put the 7, 7 plus 5, will you give a 12? And 12 means, yes, 2 will be the answer and 1 will be the carryover. Isn't it? Yes. Now 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So 7 and 6 are the answer for A and B. On putting the value A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No need to go for 8. And we will got the answer. This is the very simple questions. That's why we found very easily. So here are the values of A and B. Values of A and B. Is it better? Correct. The value of A and B are A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 6. My dear student, can you find out for the solution of question number 2? Here I can stop it for a while. We can find out the value of A, B and C. Same method. Start now. Your time starts now. Find the value of the letters in the following and give reasons for the steps involved. Yes, my dear student, playing with numbers. We are now playing hide and seek. A is hide. That is a box. Or I can say sometimes one box is here. We don't know that number 98, which gives me the addition of 3 box and again box. Is it better? Now check out which number I can add. Suppose I will take 1. So 1 plus 8, 9. 2 plus 8, 10. 3 plus 8, 11. 4 plus 8, 12. And 5 plus 8, 13. Is it better? So if I will put here 5. Okay, I will change the color. Very good. That's a good suggestion. If I will put here 5. Now 5 plus 8 will give me a 13. And 13 and 3 is the downside and 1 will be the carryover. Now you are having 1 plus 4 plus 9. That will give me a 14. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. So 4 will be here and 1 will be here. So you are having the value of A, value of B, and value of C. So value of A will be 5, value of B is equal to 4, and value of C is equal to 1. Is it? Easy? Got the idea, everyone? Can we put here 6 plus 8? That will give me a 14. That is not our answer. When you got the answer, you should have to stop. Thank you, brother. See, look at the answers. So I took too much time to explain this both the answers. Yes, 5 plus 8, 13. 1 is the carryover. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. So 1 and 4. So B is equal to 4, A is equal to 5, and C is equal to 1 are the answers for this one. Is it? Putting the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. But before that we got the answer 8 plus 5, 13. Is it? Yes. So stop at the 5. No need to go for others numbers. Is it? Single digit numbers are 0 to 9. Is it? If we put 0 plus 8, 8 only. 1 plus 8, 9, etc. Now look at here for multiplication. Addition over, we will come to the multiplications. Can you imagine what we have to do for this one? Find the values of the letters in the following and give reasons for the steps involved. Haha, good, very good. So you are having 1A multiplied by A will give you a 9A. Oh, which numbers multiply that it gives the same answer. In that answer, A multiplied by A, 1 into 1, 1. Then 1 into 1, 1. So that is a 9. That will not come. That will not come. So what you will put it here, the answer remain the same. Answer remain the same. You got any idea regarding this one, beta? Think what the numbers we are putting. 1 1. Then answer also 1. 1 1 is 1. And again 1 1 is 1. But here is the 9. So putting the value of 1 by 1, 6 6 are 36. 6 will be the down. 3 will be the carryover. 6 1 is 6 plus 3, 9. So 6 is the answer. Again, you are having two numbers, but here the logic is little different. Yes, unknown number. So when we put some numbers b is equal to 5, so we will get 12. So 2 will be downside, 1 is the carryover, so that a is equal to 2. So a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 5. Can you get the idea? But here what I did? Nothing I did. I did only the numbers. I want to put it here like this way. AB plus 37 is equal to 6A. Aisa number hai beta. Okay. So whatever put here 1, I will put it here 1. 1 plus 7 will gives me 8. If 8 is here, should be 8 are here like this is 8. If A is 8, then this A and this A both will be the 8. 8 plus 3, 11. But here I am the 6. So 1 will be not there. Is it better? Okay. So I will put now B is equal to 2. 2 plus 7, 9. So I will put 9 and 9 will be here. 9 plus 3, 12. It is also not there. Okay. I will take 3. Is it? Like this way I will put the 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 2 is here. And again I want to put it 1 carryover, but A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2 I want to take, because I have to got the here 2. So this A also become 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Now it's a correct answer. So B is equal to 5 and A is equal to 2 is the answers for these questions. Look at here, my dear student. B is equal to 5, so that 7 plus 5, 12. 1 will be carryover and 2 is the A. A is equal to 2, so 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So here we got the answer for this one. Okay, now next one. Find the value of the letters in the following and give reasons for the steps involved. AB multiplied by 3. Answer is C, AB. So putting the value of 0, I will get it. 0 into 3 is 0. A is equal to 5. So 5 3s are 15. 5 is the carryover. And C, A and B. 5. Which number is multiplied? It's same one. And now A is equal to 5. A is equal to 5. Okay. Now putting the value of A is equal to 5, B is equal to 0. Is it? Okay. You have doubt. See what I did here. Check out. Put the value B is equal to 0. We will get 0 into 3 will gives me a 0. So 0 is correct. Now 0 is there. What will be the answer? 3 into A. What will be the answer? 3 into the A. So 3 के साथ कौन सा नंबर का टेबल मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको 2 नंबर मिलेगा. Which number you are taking? 3 1 is 3, not possible. 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, not possible. 3 4 से करने का, because I want 2 answers. Because I want 2 digits answer. This is a 2 digit answer. So up to 3 6 9, not possible. Afterwards I want to think about 12. If I will put here 4 3s are 12. So 2 is here, A is equal to 2 and here is the 4. That's why this is not possible. In place of that, if I will put A is equal to 5, so let's see what will be the answer. Is it? Let's check it. Is it? A is equal to 5. A is equal to 5. So 5 3s are 15. So A is equal to 15. A is equal to, here is also 5. So our answer, we got it. 5 5. Is it? Correct. So because of this one, our answer for B is equal to 0, A is equal to 5 and C will become a 1. C will become a 1. Same thing is here. Find the values of the letter in the following and give reasons for the steps involved. AB multiplied by 5, which gives me answer CAB. Beta first B is 0, A is equal to 5 and C is equal to 2. B is equal to 0. 0 into 5 is 0. ओके ए इज इक्वल टू 5 5 5 are 25 बेटा जो भी नंबर ए लेते उसका आंसर में भी ए आएगा तो कौन सा नंबर लेंगे 5 के टेबल में सेम 5 कहाँ मिलेगा यस 5 5 are 25 क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 find the values of the letters in the following and give reasons for the steps involved AB multiplied by 6 is it interesting students yes it is very interesting see carefully AB multiplied by 6 which gives me a 3 unknown number BBB all BBB all number is same which number you are selecting for B is the answers downside here product of B and 6 must be same as ones place digit as B okay so 6 1s are 6 is equal to 6 6 2s are 12 6 3s are 18 6 4s are 24 yes if I will take 4 then my answer is 24 isn't it if I will take 3 I have the answer 18 I will take 2 then 12 so 2 and 24 4 let's check for 4 6 4 6 multiplied by 4 24 we get one digit 4 and remaining 2's B's values should be 4 4 now 6 7s are 6 7s are 42 and plus 2 44 so A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 4 is my answer. Let's check once again. B 4 6 4s are 24. Yes, 2 will be the carryover. Now think about the A. But look at the downside also. BB. BB means both should be 4. How will I get 4? 6 table counted. 44 is coming. No, 42 should have to come. 6 7s are 42 and plus 2 44. Question number 8 on your screen. Find the value of the letters in the following and give reasons for the steps involved. A1 1B B0. My dear student, one by one we can get it. B is equal to 9 then only it will become a 10. Putting 10 1 will be the carryover. So now B is equal to what I take 9. So, what I have to take it here for A? Yes, my dear student, for A, if I will take A, 7. 7 plus 1 plus 1, 9. Isn't it? So, A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 9 is my answer. Okay, my dear student, will you find out this easily? But think you can develop your skills to solve these types of questions. Now, 3 digits. 3 digits are very easy. A, B, C. Okay. Like that way here A, B and B. Which number I want to take that gives me a 8? Simple 8 only. 7. 7 plus 1 8. Again 7. 7 plus 4. 4 11. 11 1 carryover. So whatever I taken for A 4. So here my answer A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 7. Once again I can show you. I am putting B is equal to 7. 7 plus 1 gives me a 8. Now A is equal to 4. Then only 7 plus 4 gives me a 11. Putting 1 at 10's place and carry over 1. We get 2 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 7. Isn't it better? Yes. So A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 7. It's a so simple questions for you. We are the student of 8th standard. You already knowing about the all the numbers of the 6th standard, 7th standard and 8th standard. Isn't it better? Yes. So look at the question number 10. Find the values of the letters in the following and give reasons for the steps involved. Yes, my dear student. A, B, we should have to find out which two numbers I can take to gives me a 9. Suppose I am taking A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5, gives me a 9. So 2 plus 4 not possible. So A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 1 will gives me this one. So 2 plus something will gives me a 0. Isn't it? Yes. So because of that I can write it like this way. Here we end up our exercise 16.1. Now 16.2 is on your screen. My dear student, you can find out what is the questions are given. Once again I remind you, this is the chapter number 16, playing with number, standard 8, or you can say class 8. Exercise 16.2. Question number 1. If 21y5 is a multiple of 9, where y is a digit, what is the value of y? Can you imagine, students? Or they ask us? Yes, they are asking us 21y5 is a multiple of 9, where y is a digit. What is the value of y? Do you know the divisibility test for 9? Anyone is remembering? Yes or no? Yes, correct. Correct, beta. You are right. If a number is divisible by sum of the number 9, then only that number is divisible by 9. Isn't it? That is the value of y. So which value we can put? That sum of that number will be divisible by 9. Suppose we can put 21y and it should be remainder 0. So 1 by 1 we should have to check 0 to 9 a digit for this one, multiple of 9. Therefore, according to the divisibility rule of 9, the sum of all the digits should be a multiple of 9. Let's check. Total numbers are 2 plus 1 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 5. So 8 plus y is equal to 9. So y here I want to check out. What I will do here, beta? I will check out for this one is 8 plus y is equal to 9. How 8 came? You don't know about? Okay, let's check. 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5 is equal to 9. Isn't it? इसका टोटल 9 का एक नंबर आना चाहिए. Or you can say 8 plus, it's a divisible by 4. Isn't it? So you can say 5 plus 1 plus 2 will give you a 8 and plus y. Isn't it? So what will be you are writing here? It should be a 9. It should be a 9. Isn't it? So what I can do now? This number has to shift to right side. This is a plus number. It is going on right side. That means 9 minus 8. And now you are having the 9 minus 8. It is a 1. So if you will put here 1, then this number is divisible by 9. 2115 is the number divisible by 5. Sorry, 9. Okay, 2115. Let's check. 2115 can divisible by 9. Divisible means 0 remainder, beta. Yes. 9 table will help me, anyone? 9 ones are 9. Yes. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. Okay. So 9 twos are 2 will be here and 18 will be come down. Isn't it? Below the 21. Okay. Now count the number. No need to borrowing, beta. No need to borrowing. Now you are the student of 8th standard. Already now coming to the 9th standard. So 18 के बाद आपको count करना है 21 तक. 18 plus 1 19, 19 plus 20, 20 plus 1 21. Isn't it? So 3 will be the answer. No need to do anything. So now bringing down 1. Bringing down 1. This 1 has to come down. Isn't it, beta? Yes. So count 9 table up to 31. So 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. It is not possible. So 3s are yes 27. Again 27. That means no need to borrowing anything. Just count it and say 4. And now bringing down 5. Isn't it? This 5 has to come down. Okay. Now 9 table up to 45. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. So our answer is here 45. So 45 minus 45 will give you a 0. Isn't it? So here I said it. Any number which is divisible by 9 should be addition of that numbers only. Is it beta? Okay, so here we can get it a one digit number y is equal to 1. Then and then only this number can be divisible by 9. Is it? Or you can say 5 4s are 20, or you can say 9 4s are 36. Is it? Yes. So put the value of y and our solutions become very easy. Oh, some are saying, sir, can we put it for 18? Not possible बेटा. 9 रख दो इधर. 9 plus 10, 10 plus 17 होगा, उससे ज़्यादा होगा नहीं. कोई भी नंबर लगा दो बेटा, 1 के सिवा कुछ भी हो सकता नहीं है. 8 plus 8 16 होगा. 0 रखेंगे तो क्या होगा बेटा? 8 ही रहेगा. इट शुड बी 9. ओके, 18 भी हो सकता है, बड़ा नंबर है तो 18 बनाना पड़ेगा, 27 बनाना पड़ेगा. मल्टीपल ऑफ 9. It's a multiple of 9s. Then and then only this number can be divisible by 9. Then and then only. I am repeating the word. Then and then only. Isn't it better? Correct? Perfect. Okay, look at the question number 2. If 31z is a multiple of 9, where z is a digit, what is the value of z? Again, same one. Add the all number. 7 plus 9 plus z. Z के अंदर 0 लगा दो बेटा तो भी होगा. Z के अंदर 9 लगा दो तो भी हो सकता है. There are two possibilities. 9 plus 9 18. 18 is also divisible. So 2 digits will be the answer for Z. It should be a 0 or it should be a 9. Is it better? Correct. It should be a 0 or it should be a 9. So dear, my dear students, you are having 2 answers, and that one you can get it for this one. Is it? Total it? Yes, my dear student, correct. So first time we can take 9, second time we can take the 18. Is it here? Here is the 18. Good. Sorry. My dear student, did you get any idea regarding this one? Sometimes it has a 2 answers. You can follow it. Which answer do you want to like? Easy? Correct. Easy. And you should have to get a 0 reminder. Question number 3 on your screen. If 24x is a multiple of 3, where x is a digit, what is the value of x? Since 24x is a multiple of 3, its sums of digits 6 plus x is a multiple of 3. So 6 plus x is one of these numbers 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. But since x is a digit, it can only be that 6 plus x is equal to 6 or 9 or 12 or 15. Therefore, x is equal to 0 or 3 or 6 or 9. Thus, x can have any of 4 different values. Since 24x is a multiple of this number, my dear student, wait for a while, just a while. Once again, beta, once again. Sorry. I want to take it here. Question number 4 के बारे में हम बात कर रहे थे. Multiple of 3. So z is equal to 3, z is equal to 0, z is equal to 6, and z is equal to 9. 4 possibilities are there. Because sum of the number is divisible by 3, then that number should be the answer. That's why here 4 possibility. First time we check out, that time it was 1, then after 2, and now 4 possibilities for 3. Is it? Yes, correct. My dear students, it is so simple questions, and you can find out the answers once again. Here we end up our sessions with a very great pleasure, and one big clap for everyone, those who are completed their 8th standard mathematics, all the chapter solutions here. Is it, my dear students? So once again I remind you, complete your fair book, ready for your exams, and complete your course, and don't forget it. Stay at home, be safe, and take care. Okay. And if anyone has the doubt regarding anything, I will send out all the doubts, and you can follow my channel and subscribe, like, and share it also. So once again, I am very thankful to you, all of you, my dear students. Welcome for standard 9. That is my best wishes to complete your course and remember the maths till life. Thank you, and thank you.